Not bad. Another gorgeous day as we head toward midweek. We had the mid-40s in the Fargo area and above average for this time of the year. The winds are a little gusty, making it feel cooler. Take a look at this dew point temperature, 8 degrees. Now that's the temperature we'd have to cool this 44-degree air to for us to start making clouds and dew and things like that. So needless to say, we are extremely dry. Relative humidity's in the 20th percentile. 34 and dry in Roseau, 36 and dry in Langdon. So cooler north, and that cool air spilling into the James and Cheyenne River valleys. Lakes country joining Fargo near 40 degrees. All in all, a pleasant day, a quiet day as compared to our neighbors. We do have some sunshine up north and clear skies, but increasing clouds as we go south and east as a major storm system rolling out of the Rockies. It's beginning to really impact things in the Twin Cities. Notice the southern half of the metro area here getting the heavier of the snow. Reports of over 7 inches in portions of southern Minnesota. And even in the Twin Cities, 3 to 5 inches already on the ground, and it's not letting up anytime soon as this storm system spreads out towards Sioux Falls. It also producing some heavy bands of snow there. And again, in that metro area, once you get down on 494 south towards Burnville on 35 south of town there, it looks like things are the heaviest on the far southern reaches. Tornado watch for portions of Iowa, Missouri, and Nebraska as well. It's quickly changing over to snow, however, as it meets the cold air up north. Notice this white here and even some thunder snow, thunder sleet being reported with this very intense and dynamic system. And again, this stretches all the way into the Colorado Rockies. We're just outside Boulder, Colorado, just to the west in the mountains there. 30.1 inches of wet and very heavy snow. For us, we can enjoy the quiet through the remainder of our evening. 40s become 30s, and we'll slip into the 20s up north. As we go beyond sunset tonight, the wind settles down a little bit. And watch this by morning, whoop, does a switcheroo, and it becomes southerly. That's usually great news. We start out our morning in the teens in a few spots in the far north to near 30 down in the south. The winds, they'll be pretty quiet throughout the day. We'll enjoy some sunshine. And Thursday just might be the pick day of the week with temperatures rising through the 40-degree mark in the midday hour in the southern counties and climbing right back up into the 30s. Notice a little weather wiggle causing some spits of rain or snow along the international border once again. So some fast moving and fast changing weather for you once again. We'll kiss that 50-degree mark in Fargo. Even in Grand Forks, we could be in those mid to upper 40s out there. Nice out to the west where those south winds will be a little more persistent. We're talking 60 degrees or so there. As we head into the evening hours, temperatures cool down into the 40s, and we see another storm system heading the western Dakotas late tomorrow night. That'll bring us a Friday chance of some rain and for some snow, but nothing like this. The heavy bands of snow forecast and the potential with this system, southern Minnesota, especially the southeastern quadrant, through portions of Iowa and into Nebraska, could see over a foot of snow in places from this system. Winter storm warnings there, delayed flights, cancels in Chicago, Minneapolis, Sioux Falls, and Denver, and those obviously impact us here at Hector. Tomorrow morning, near 30 to start the day. Light winds generally from the south, and temperatures will peak very close to that 50-degree mark. Temperatures elsewhere in the mid to upper 40s south and upper 30s north. Not bad temperature-wise with south winds increasing, clouds increasing on Friday. The timing of this little weather system moving through will dictate how warm we get, but right now it looks like 50 wonderful degrees. That's not too bad. A little bit of snow possible in our northern counties with cooler temperatures there. The Easter Bunny is pretty hopping and happy as on Easter Sunday, 51 is a forecast with a lot of sunshine, and it just gets better from there. We could be seeing some mid-60s by Tuesday. That's pretty decent.
Nice.
Finding the eggs won't be as hard this year in the snow, unless, you know,
right,
you're
yeah.
up north, but...
Right. Go out and, you know, make your own snow if you like.
No, why would we do that?
Well, I don't know. You brought it up.
All right, the Bison opened their spring ball bright and early today. Beth Houle was at the Fargo Dome for practice and has a look at what's ahead for the NDSU football team.
Up next, awards given out to recognize special efforts among those who wear the badge locally.